Do not eat bread. Try this delicious breakfast recipe. In a bowl, I will add 100 grams of oat flakes and 100 milliliters of milk. I will mix and let it sit for 5 minutes. Take the opportunity to tell me where you are watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Then I will peel and mash a banana. Make sure to try this recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. Urane konokupo diset asese. And to continue, I will add the banana to the oats and mix well. Friends, this recipe is very easy to make and turns out very tasty. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Then I will add an egg and mix again. To kaison, I will add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and mix well. Finally, I will add a teaspoon of baking powder and stir well until it is completely incorporated into the mixture. So now I am going to grease a pan with oil. And with a spoon, I will add several portions of our mixture like this. After cooking one side, I will flip it to cook the other side. I am going to do this with the entire mixture until it is finished. And our recipe is ready. Now just enjoy. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching until now. See you in the next video. Goodbye.